Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. It was a peaceful afternoon in a quiet countryside village. The sky was wide and bright, and the wind moved gently through the tall grass surrounding the small houses. Farmers worked in the fields while a few villagers talked near the road. Nothing unusual ever happened in that place. But on that calm day, something appeared in the sky that would leave the entire village confused and frightened. An old shepherd standing on a hill was the first one to notice it. As he looked towards the clouds, he saw a tiny dark shape moving slowly through the sky. At first, he believed it was just a flying bird, high above the valley. But after watching for a few moments, he realized that the object was not flying at all. It was slowly falling. The shepherd narrowed his eyes and stared harder, trying to understand what he was seeing. The shape grew larger as it moved downward through the clouds. Soon the shepherd could clearly see something that shocked him. It looked like a human figure. The shepherd immediately began shouting and waving his hand towards the village below. His voice echoed across the quiet fields as he tried to warn others. Several villagers looked up when they heard his shouting. They followed the direction of his pointing hand and saw something strange moving in the sky above them. At first, the villagers thought it must be some kind of cloth or object carried by the wind. But as it came closer, the truth slowly became clear. It looked like a woman. The shape was clearly visible against the bright sky as she slowly descended from the clouds. People gathered in the road and watched in complete silence. No one could believe what they were seeing. The woman continued drifting downward as if the air itself was slowing her fall. Her long clothing moved gently in the wind while the clouds slowly passed behind her. Some villagers whispered that it must be a miracle, others thought it might be some strange trick of the sky. Within minutes, she was close enough for everyone to see clearly. There was no parachute, no balloon, and no aircraft anywhere nearby. The woman finally reached the ground in a wide open field outside the village. Several villagers rushed toward the spot while others stayed behind in fear. When the first villagers arrived, they saw her lying quietly in the grass. For a moment, nobody moved. Then the woman slowly opened her eyes. She looked around at the people surrounding her with a confused expression. A villager stepped forward and gently asked if she was hurt. The woman spoke softly in response, but the words sounded completely unfamiliar. The villagers quickly realized she was speaking a language none of them had ever heard before. They tried asking questions using simple gestures and different words, but communication was difficult. Despite the confusion, the villagers offered her water and helped her sit up. She expected their help and looked around the valley with curiosity. Soon the strange story began spreading across nearby towns. People traveled from far away hoping to see this mysterious woman. Some believed she must have fallen from a distant aircraft high above the clouds. Others believed something far stranger had happened. They wondered if she had somehow come from another place entirely. The shepherd who first saw her arrival insisted she had appeared directly from the clouds. He swore there had been nothing else in the sky at that moment. The woman often spent long moments looking upward toward the sky, as if she were searching for something. Sometimes she pointed towards the cloud while speaking quietly in her strange language. The villagers wondered if she was trying to explain where she came from. But no traveler or scholar could understand her mysterious words. Years later, the villagers still remembered the strange day when a woman appeared from the sky. For many days, the mysterious woman remained in the village. She slowly became familiar with the people who had helped her. Though communication was still difficult, the villagers tried teaching her simple words while she attempted to repeat them. Even so, her original language remained strange and completely unknown. Visitors from nearby towns began arriving after hearing the unbelievable story. Some came out of curiosity, others hoping they might understand her language. A few scholars listened carefully to the sounds she spoke, writing them down in notebooks, yet none of them could match the words to any known language. Despite the mystery surrounding her, the woman behaved calmly and kindly toward everyone she met. She often walked quietly through the fields surrounding the village, observing the land, the animals, and the distant mountains as if she was studying a place completely new to her. But there was one thing the villagers noticed again and again. Whenever clouds gathered above the valley, the woman would stop whatever she was doing and look up towards the sky. She would stare at the drifting clouds for a long time, as though waiting for something to return. Sometimes she would raise her hand and point toward the sky while speaking softly in her strange language. The voice sounded almost like she was explaining something important, yet no one could understand the meaning of her words. The shepherd who first saw her arrival often watched her quietly from a distance. He remained certain that she had truly appeared from the clouds that afternoon. No matter how many people questioned him, he never changed his story. Weeks passed, but the mystery only grew deeper. No aircraft had been reported in the sky that day, and no missing person matched the description of the strange visitor. It was a woman had simply appeared out of Eventually, nowhere. The story spread far beyond the valley. Travelers carried the tale to distant towns, describing the unbelievable moment when the villagers watched a woman slowly fall from the sky. Some people believed it was only a misunderstanding or a trick of the eye. Others believed it was something far stranger, something that science and logic could not easily explain. Years later, the villagers would still remember that quiet afternoon when the sky delivered a mysterious visitor to their peaceful valley. And even today, when clouds drift slowly above that same valley, some people still look towards it and wonder if the sky might one day reveal its strange secrets again. What a fascinating story! Would you like to go to the same town where this miracle happened? And would you like to meet the lady who fall from the sky like an angel? Do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.